everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. Today I got a Home Depot tool haul. First up, we got this Husky Box Cutter. It's built like a knife and even has the releases pushed here. Has a pretty neat quick release for the blade. Pull that back, push this down, and you can switch the blade out. So I'll put a picture of it, and maybe it has a part number on here. No, there's some numbers on the box that it came in, so I'll show a picture real quick. Alright, that's what it came in. I know it goes by fast, so you have to pause it, and I'll probably put a part number down here just in case you want to check it out. So we're going to put this to the test and open some boxes of what we have out next. Alright, first up we have this rigid 6-gallon air compressor. There's the specs. I have another one that pooped out on me. It says it's lifetime, but while I'm in the process of trying to get a hold of them, I got another one so that I'd have a backup. So here's our Husky Box Cutter. Real nice. Get it in the picture here. All right, now we'll get it out and check it out and fire it up. So we won't go through the whole box opening showing you taking it out, but I thought we'd look at this in case you have one or you plan on getting one. Here's the information to be able to get it serviced. I'm in the process of waiting for a call back right now to get my other one fixed. Here's what's in the box here. And this is gonna have likely a bunch of products in it. So, all right, let's get it out of there. All right, there it is out of the box. You got your gauges and your pressure adjustment here. All right, let's get it plugged in and hear how it sounds. All right, I got it plugged in now, so we'll fire it up. These things aren't the quietest, but I've had the other one for a really long time and it's done me pretty good. So I thought I'd get another one, and I do plan on getting that one fixed. So here goes. Anyway, we won't spend a whole lot of time on that. It pumps up and it works, and we'll maybe show it in action some other time. Let's move on to the next thing. The Cool Anywhere Air Evaporative Cooler. This is going to be real nice in the garage. So let's get it open. And put some water in it and see how cold this thing blows. And a temperature gauge too, you can see how cold that is. Let's see what we got here when we open it up. There it is. Let's get it out of here and check it out. All right, there it is out of the box. We'll look around it when we get it running. But apparently we need to put some stuff together, and at least it's got a gauge so you can see when the water gets low to refill it, and a place to pour it in. So that'd be nice whether you fill it with a hose or a bucket. It's got a nice place to get it right in there. But since we have to have it up to get to the bottom to put it together, that leads us to the last thing on my list. Was this 6-foot table got from Home Depot to work with. Folds up, pretty cool. All right, let's get the stuff out of the bottom of this and get the wheels on it. Put some water in it, fire it up. Well, I thought I'd show you under here where it's at. So we'll get this out, and it'll probably fall all out on me. Got the screws to put the casters on. And then the 4 casters looks like they all swivel so you can turn it in any direction. Real nice. So along with the screws, it also came with an adapter to hook up a hose to it. Or like I said, you can fill it from the front, which will be what I usually do. There's it back on, and then it's got a drain. So I guess if you want to not use it for a while, you can take the water out so it doesn't get all nasty. All right. Well, it's all hooked up and full of water. The gauge up the top here. And we're gonna turn it on now and see what happens. With the pump. All right, pumping water. Now we'll hit the fan. This also has a feature of swinging. If we can see those. Let's see if we can tell what swings. I don't see anything swinging yet. I think these are supposed to move. And this you can position which way you want. Up or down, pointing at you. Apparently the swing's not happy though. Oh, there it goes. Now you can see the back one's moving. Took a minute to get going. Putting out pretty cold already. Let's get a temperature gauge. Well, it's not a tool, but it'll certainly keep you cool while you're working with tools. There's a little handy temperature gun. It says it's only about 80 degrees in here on the floor, but 89 up here. There we go. Getting pretty cold. Real nice. So that's the cooler. I put the end on it too. Oh, there we go. So to recap, there's the cooler, and this is the specs on it. The part. Then we have the nice rigid compressor. There's the old one. Poor guy's been through a lot. Had to take a leaky gauge off at once, and now I think the power cord's messed up, so I'm gonna see about getting that fixed. Our table. And then of course, our cool Husky blade. See if we can open it one-handed. It's pretty tight. Very cool. Then I thought we'd take a quick look. Here's some of the tools that Rigid has. There's a lot of stuff, but stuff that would be more for us mechanics would be these tools here, of course. Some screw guns. And, oh yeah, tools are cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to don't just work for tools, but let tools work for you. Have a great day. See you on the next one.